Education is incredibly important and it's crucial in numerous aspects of life, and its importance can be further illustrated through various ways. Knowledge and skills. It equips individuals with the knowledge and skills needed to navigate the world effectively, both personally and professionally. Empowerment education empowers people by increasing their confidence and decision-making abilities. It enables critical thinking, problem-solving, and creativity. Economic opportunities. A good education opens up economic opportunities by enhancing employability and potentially increasing earning potential. Social mobility. Education can break the cycle of poverty by providing opportunities for social mobility, allowing individuals to improve their circumstances and contribute positively to society. Personal development. Beyond academics, education fosters personal development, including moral and ethical growth, social skills, and a broader understanding of the world. Global perspective. In a globalized world, education promotes understanding and tolerance across cultures, contributing to peace and cooperation. Health and well-being. Educated individuals tend to make healthier lifestyle choices. They have better access to healthcare information and are more likely to understand preventive measures, leading to improved overall health outcomes. Technological advancement. Education fuels technological progress and innovation. Countries with higher levels of education tend to be leaders in research and development, driving advancements in medicine, engineering, communication, and more. Democratic participation. A well-educated populace is essential for the functioning of democratic societies. It enables informed decision-making during elections and encourages civic engagement and advocacy for social justice. Environmental awareness. Education fosters environmental consciousness by teaching about sustainability and the impact of human activities on the planet. Educated individuals are more likely to advocate for environmental protection and adopt eco-friendly practices. Cultural preservation. Education plays a vital role in preserving and promoting cultural heritage. It allows communities to pass down traditions, languages, and customs to future generations, preventing cultural erosion. Conflict resolution. Education promotes tolerance, understanding, and empathy among diverse groups. It reduces prejudice and helps resolve conflicts peacefully, contributing to social cohesion and stability. Career advancement. Higher levels of education typically correlate with greater career opportunities and job satisfaction. Education equips individuals with specialized knowledge and skills required for specific professions, enhancing their professional growth. Overall, education is not just about acquiring knowledge. It is a transformative force that shapes individuals and societies, driving progress and prosperity. It also demonstrates that education is not only about academic achievement, but also about its broader impact on individual well-being, societal progress, and global development.